And ang sakali, it was one of the first phrases I learned when I arrived in Semarang. It means very delicious. In Filipino, sobrang sarap. A simple expression, yet it captured the warmth I felt from the very beginning. Before coming to Indonesia, I was worried about being away from the Philippines, about unfinished work and the uncertainty of what the next 26 days would bring. But the moment we arrived, those worries began to fade. We were welcomed by Pacnur with kindness, and one of our first stops was Pakwito, a local restaurant where we tasted authentic Indonesian flavors. A delicious start indeed. And nagsakali, at the International Service Learning Program, we were warmly received by Dr. Sri Tushati, Rector of Universitas PGIR Semarang, along with the Vice Rectors and Deans of the Facultas Technique dan Informatica. We also met Ma'am Mega, Pak Prasena, and Pak Shapit, who accompanied us to Kandri. Kandri, a peaceful village that reminded me of my hometown and childhood in the Philippines. We were cared for by Pak Munir, the rest of the UPGRIS personnel, and all of the locals in Kandri. The calm surroundings and the genuine smiles of the community brought a sense of comfort and connection. We bonded with Malaysian students and locals. We learned to milk cows at Green Fresh Farm, exchanged kepeng for food at Kampung Jawi, and visited sacred places like Jayocroa. Each moment added new layers to our cultural experience. As a faculty member of Civil Engineering, I was excited to see construction sites like Twin Towers at Undip and the Boja-Bawen-Yogyakarta Toll Road. I noticed how Indonesian construction differs in some aspects from Philippine practices, opening doors to future research ideas and new knowledge. On May 15, while crossing the sea on ferry, I welcomed my birthday. It was a unique experience that made me reflect on how far I'd come, literally and personally. Later, I found out that a UPGRIS student shares the same birthday as me. We also attended the 44th Dies Natalis of Universitas PGRI Semarang and toured UPGRIS Campus 3, dedicated solely to laboratory facilities, a smart setup that fosters focused technical learning. Our two-day BIPA class helped us learn the basics of Bahasa Indonesia while trying more local foods and drinks, each dish full of flavor and story. One of the most meaningful moments was being invited as a resource speaker. It was an honor to share my knowledge with Indonesian students and faculty. This journey brought new perspective and deeper cultural appreciation and unforgettable memories. Namasaya Kevin Lester Mabalay from the Civil Engineering Department, College of Engineering, Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, Philippines. Terima kasih. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Bineka tunggal ika, Pilipina dan Indonesia.